Hi guys, welcome back to Cindy's Cooking, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious, spicy, buttery, garlicky fowl chicken roasted. Oh my god, let's get to the recipe. So yeah, this is the chicken that I am using. They don't usually have it at the market. It's only once in a while, and I saw it and I had to grab a bunch of them because last time I made this I loved it, and some people asked me for the recipe and I'm gonna share with you today. So if you can't find that chicken specifically, you can just use any fowl chicken. The meat, the poultry, the texture is exactly the same. So what we're gonna make her walk first, because of course, why not? This is your runaway, do the catwalk, baby. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna split it open. Use a scissors or a knife. I couldn't find my scissors, so I used the knife. So once you split it open, break the back, not the way you usually get your back broken or break the backs, but that way. You guys, I'm sorry, I just have to say some dumb stuff. I just can't help it. Anyway, so go ahead and split it open and remove all the excess fat, like everything that you don't need that looks nasty. Remove it and remove the butt. I leave some of the ass because I know some of my friends are ass eaters and I'm not an ass eater, so I remove the ass. But feel free to leave the butt if you if you do that. I don't judge. I'm not gonna judge because I don't do that over here. Anyways, remove all that stuff. Get rid of it, clean it, and then I clean mine with lemon juice and lime juice and vinegar because I'm Haitian like that. I gotta use all the acidities in the world. Okay, so once you do that, remove all the little feathers, everything, clean it, rinse it, and then go ahead, pat dry, and we're gonna start the seasoning process. So for the seasoning, we're gonna use some olive oil, just a little bit, for the marinade process, and we're gonna add Epis, of course. And if you don't know how to make Epis, I have a recipe, so check it out. Some bitter orange juice, a good amount, because we want acidity. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. I will list all of them, everything that I use. Some chicken powder, chicken bouillon powder, Knorr. I love this one, I really do. Some chicken Montreal, of course. Some all-purpose chicken seasoning. I love this all-purpose chicken seasoning so much. I cannot wait to create my own all-purpose chicken seasoning that I'm just gonna be obsessed with, and I'm gonna use every day. I'm gonna make sure everybody uses it every day too. Anyways, it's coming, it's in the works. We're gonna add some paprika, garlic and herb, because it's garlic and herb. It's a lot of, when I say garlic, I mean like garlic. I just added some oregano. I love oregano. If you don't, then that's too bad, because oregano is so good for you. And I grounded some black pepper, just a little bit, because when we're cooking it, we're just gonna throw the peppercorn whole in there, so just a little bit. You don't need a lot. So now we're gonna go ahead and coat that chicken, like lather it, just coat it nicely, make love to it. You see how I'm touching it so nicely? Just touch it like that, okay? Make sure everything is well seasoned and well coated, and let it marinate overnight, preferably. But if you don't have that much time, listen, 12 hours will do, 4 hours may do it, but I would say overnight, because overnight is best. So I don't know what I just did there, but anyways. So I'm cutting up my jalapeno peppers, my shallots, my garlic. This is what I'm using to roast the chicken. I want all the flavors, I want all the spice, and I want, like I said, I want all the garlic in the world. I don't even know how much garlic this is, but listen, go crazy on the garlic and the shallots too. I wouldn't say to go too crazy on the pepper because it's spicy, but yeah. So this is the chicken after being marinated for over 24 hours, looking beautiful. It's about to be delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and place it in the pan or whatever you have. That's what I had, and I didn't really want to clean up after, although I ended up cleaning anyways because I had too much chicken. So go ahead, feed it in the pan, lay it flat. And be sure to add all that little sauce, all that marinade, okay? Pour it over it, pour it there, okay? Do that. Please do not throw it out, because if you throw it out, just exit right now. And please, if you like this so far, you need to subscribe. Like, you can keep coming here and not subscribing. Like, that's fake. Like, that's fake. A little bit of that. Come closer when I'm ready to season it. I have my own spice line, so that way I could be like, don't forget to grab Cindy's spice. Just a little dab, you know, a little zazzle. This is gonna be good. I made this one time and I loved it, so I'm like, I gotta do this again. We're gonna put the whole peppercorn like that in there. Different. When I tell you different. The allspice, I'm gonna crack it a little bit. Do you see that? Spicy, baby. Got it. Spicy, baby. Ugh. You can stop it now. And everything. Some butter after, we don't add too much oil. When we marinated, that was oil already, so we're gonna add butter towards the end. I mean, oil never kill nobody. I could add more oil, right?
You could.
Nah.
I mean, but you can add butter.
Heart attack. Batteries, no. The oil has killed people. Alright, let's put this in the oven.
So.
It's hot.
Mm-hmm.
Hot like me. I'm too excited. I am too. I should cover it.
Mm-hmm.
I should cover it. Alright, be sure to cover it and put it in the oven on 350. So that's that. Then we're gonna add the other one. 350. Why is it like that big? So we're gonna baste it a little bit and crush everything to get all the juices. So we're gonna baste it a little bit and we're gonna add the butter. This is the butter that I'm using. some butter and we're gonna baste it. This is a Haitian, but it's what I grew up with, guys. That's crazy. Do you see that? Wait, so wow, that's crazy. Crush everything to give it that spice. Get all the flavors. Everything's crushed. Get the butter melted, so now I'm gonna baste it. And do the same for the other. If you're making that much, do the same for it. Just baste it. Get all that juice in there, and we're gonna keep basting it here and there. That's a tough. The chicken, the poultry, it's very tough. The flesh is tough. It's foul, so it's not soft. It will take a little bit longer to cook. So yeah. Chicken in the oven the first time, I baked it for an hour, and after that, I made the plantain fries. And after that, I took it out. I added the butter, and I basted, and I put it back in the oven, and I turned up the heat for 375 until it gets some color for about 25 minutes. Now we're gonna take it out because this one is done. You ready? Are you ready? Are you sure? Oh wow, this is black girl magic. Do you see that? Do you see the juice? Do you see this? Like, Cindy, what is this? Wow! Like, what? What? Like, what? Esty, I made this. Oh my God, Cindy, you bad bitch. You did it again. I can't help it. Always outdone myself. Wow. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Okay. Take a picture.